how to check obscurity on Spotify. Firstly, when you get up into that file selection, you need to get up from here. You need to go on your browser, and right there you need to go and type for that selection, which is going for Spotify obscurity. Go on that file selection right here, type for, and simply you need to wait, and then go on that first selection, which is on your right side. Here you need to log in with your Spotify. When you check over and log in on your Spotify selection, what is the most important thing right here? It is by getting up and taking the whole session on it. Now as you can see, I have been logged before, and this is why I'm connected right now. But firstly, you need to wait. You need to take over and see which obscurity rating you have on your session. From here, if you scroll down, as you can see here, I have 53% by getting my music on then this all of these users from Macedonia, from my country, and I have the higher rating, the session sites, which gives me more obscure. Yeah, it says you're pretty balanced, you enjoy popular music, but also venture into the unknown. Now if you wanna open your summary, you can check it out right now. If you don't wanna, you're gonna simply get back and take over that selection.